When people think of Osaka, they often imagine crowded streets like Shinsaibashi and Dotonbori, but just 2 or 3 subway stops away, there is a completely different side of the city, much calmer, quieter, and very artistic. This is Nakanoshima, a small island between 2 rivers, right in the heart of Osaka. Today, I will take you on a quiet walk through cafés, old libraries, European-style architecture, and one of the calmest parts of the city. Nakanoshima feels different from the rest of Osaka. The pace here is slower, the sound is softer, and the river shapes everything around you. Along the riverside are some of the city's most loved cafés, places where people come not to rush, but to sit, think, and watch the water. Coffee, light conversations, and the gentle flow of life. This is how Nakanoshima begins its day. This building is the children's book forest, designed by architect Tadao Endo. It was built as a gift to the children of Osaka. Here stands a big green apple, watching the city silently. No loud signs, no digital screens, just endless shelves of books and quiet curiosity. You don't have to read here, you can simply stay and remember what it feels like to slow down. Inside this building are some of Asia's most valuable ceramic works, including real temuk tables, but today we stay outside. Because sometimes the architecture tells its story without stepping inside. This is the Osaka Central Public Hall, built in the early 20th century. It reflects a time when Osaka dreamed of becoming more European. Red brick, classical arches, and perfect symmetry, a Western-style building in the heart of Osaka. Next door stands the Nakanoshima Library, still used as a public library today. This isn't a museum or a relic. People still come here to study, borrow books, and walk in silence. Tradition continues not by being frozen, but by remaining useful. This quiet building once housed the Osaka branch of the Bank of Japan. Solid stone, heavy doors. Architecture built to express trust and quiet authority. This is the Nakanoshima Museum of Art, bold, modern, and completely different from the classical buildings surrounding it. Inside nearby are modern lifestyle stories, like Hey, where Scandinavian design meets Japanese minimalism. Old meets new, tradition meets creativity, and somehow they coexist perfectly here. Above us is one of Nakanoshima's hidden spots, a free observatory on the 16th floor. From up here, the rivers curve gently through the city, and Osaka feels calmer, smaller, more human. Nakanoshima isn't loud. It doesn't try to impress. It simply exists. Quietly, confidently, beautifully. Thank you for walking with me today. See you next one.